making South Africa's financial system intolerant to abuse.
Once the entity registration has been approved by the FIC, all that will be left of the institution will be to log into goAML by selecting Login, then entering their user credentials they would have created upon registration, then select Login once more. An authentication screen will then be displayed, which will enable the user to either scan the QR code displayed on the screen or enter the key right just below the QR code onto their Google Authenticator app. Alternatively, they can use the fallback authentication method, which will then generate an email through their goAML registered email address that will then generate a goAML verification code. Then select Login. Once the user is successfully into goAML, this should be their landing page with the institution's details displayed on the far left, as well as the users who has logged onto the profile.
Visit fic.gov.za.